channel with divine elements of design and the decorator's voice. I'm a certified interior decorator, professional organizer, and planning and productivity strategist. And if those are topics that you're interested in, please subscribe to this channel to stay tuned. Also, please give this video a thumbs up. On this video, we're going to talk about 11 useful ways to use a microfiber cloth. So a few days ago, my sister was over my home and she saw a microfiber cloth in my kitchen. She asked me, "Why do you have a car wash towel in your kitchen?" And I was just shocked. I'm like, no, this is not a car wash towel. This is a microfiber cloth. This is like the holy grail of cleaning cloths. And she had no idea what I was talking about. She basically said, "Well, I use those to clean my car." So that got me, had me thinking, wow, maybe there are other people out there that don't know all of the uses for a microfiber cloth. So we're going to discuss that today. So one of the obvious uses from my story is a car. But we're actually going to talk about some of the uses in your home. So for the first one, I really love to use a microfiber cloth in my bathroom for my shower and my tub. So if you are someone that uses like a daily spray or a daily scrubber, that is really good to use with your microfiber cloth. Use your microfiber cloth to get rid of that scum. And then also after you've showered, and if you've sprayed it, you can also use the microfiber cloth to get rid of the excess water, because all of that water and soap scum, that's what leaves those icky mildew on your shower doors. So go ahead and use that microfiber cloth for that. Another good usage is your stainless steel appliances. Use that microfiber cloth to get rid of all of those fingerprints and watermarks, and basically it's just really good and easy to clean it up. You can also use it for your countertops, whether you have whatever your countertop is. If it's Formica, if it's laminate, if it's quartz or marble or whatever it is, use that microfiber cloth for your countertops. And let's go back to the bathroom. Use that microfiber cloth to clean your mirrors. So instead of paper towels, like I used to do, I used to always use like my Windex and then my paper towels. But if you don't throw the paper towel away fast enough, you end up with those streaks or the parts of the paper towel if you use an inexpensive paper towel. Don't worry about those problems anymore. Use your microfiber cloth and you won't have to worry about that icky sound or either that scratching noise, and it also protects your mirror. Another thing you can use with your microfiber cloth is to polish your furniture. So whether you're polishing furniture or dusting furniture or even just cleaning it, use that microfiber cloth and you won't have to worry about damaging the wood or damaging whatever the surface is. Now, your windows, if you clean your windows, use your microfiber cloth for that. It is very useful, very easy, and it makes them crystal clear where you can see through them. Also, your sink. Now, when I'm thinking about how I keep my home clean, I like to think about what are some of the things that the professionals do. So say, for example, if you are in a hotel and the cleaning crew comes to your room and they have their little bucket of things and they clean, and then all of a sudden it looks like it's brand new and spanky clean again. One of the things they always do in your bathroom is clean your sink. So go ahead and take that microfiber cloth and clean the sink. It's very easy. If you constantly do it, if you constantly, not necessarily have to clean it, but if you constantly, clean the extra water, or if there's toothpaste, if you have children, because they're the ones that always leave their toothpaste in the sink, just clean those daily and have your one microfiber cloth and pick up all that water, toothpaste, soap, whatever. But the microfiber cloth is great for that. You can also use it on your floors, on your wood floors, your tile floors, whatever your floor is, your ceramics. Use that microfiber cloth to clean it up. And actually, I think that is it for the 11 ways, but there are so many other uses for it. I use it, and this is, I guess, bonus information, but I use a microfiber cloth on my TV screens. You know, you don't want to put like soak it down with water or whatever, but you can kind of damp it very, very lightly and clean the TV screen. You can also clean your microwave with it. Basically, you can use a microfiber cloth for everything, not just for cleaning your car. One of the things that makes the microfiber cloth so useful is that it can remove 99% of bacteria. That is awesome. That is great. It is safe for the environment, and these cloths can also help save you money. They're very, very clean, and you know, it saves water, it saves on paper towels, and then also you can use these microfiber cloths up to 2 years or 500 washes. So they're a win-win for me. I will leave a link to my Amazon store below, and in my Amazon store, Amazon shop, you'll see the microfiber cloths that I recommend. So I really hope this video helps you. I actually hope my sister watches this video because she needs to see that there are so many uses for a microfiber cloth. If you are using a microfiber cloth in your cleaning regimen, please list below in the comment section some of the uses that you use it for. So once again, if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much and have a divine day. Goodbye.